So, hi, hello. It's my first time actually with the tripod, so forgive me. Um, I just wanted you to see that I had actually made a refrigerator that is still drying. Here's the freezer. It's not perfect, but it will work once I get it fixed. Oops, sorry. And then this is going to be the refrigerated side of it. See, I have to complete it. And then this is the stove. See the stove portion? I still need to bake that cake. I put the little stickies on there and the shelves, but I just wanted you to see what I've done. Oh, again, I'm very new at this. So I have already done the flooring. See? And that's from Lowe's. It's like for $1 something. Laminate glue on. You don't even have to glue it on. It's more like it just sticks to it, and then all the wallpaper. You see all the wallpaper that I've done? Oops, sorry, I can't see. Here we go. Inside. So the wallpaper, I've got to do something with the wall back here still. But I've done the archways. Hey, there you are. So I've done these archways like that. And I'm planning on finishing up, this kitchen. But I'm not for sure if I'm going to put a dishwasher in or just leave it like it is and make a cake for Sylvia and Aura's birthday. But the refrigerator's almost done, and I have a lot of food that's going to go in here, but it has to dry. This is still very, very wet, and I've got to reassemble like a lot of stuff in the shelves, but it's almost dry. So I just wanted to chat with you and say, you know, it's homemade, it's cardboard, and it's really fairly easy. Oops, sorry, closed. But I mean, it's not gonna all line up like it should, but we don't really care because it's more fun than anything. And I'm going to Oklahoma very, very soon. Hello. To see Aura and Sylvia, and they will be in one of the videos also. And I'm very excited about that. So here's Nannie Barbie, and we have almost a refrigerator and a little stove. All right, signing off. Thanks for watching. Bye.